How to fix the effects does not work with this device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to learn on how you can fix the effect does not work on this device issue on TikTok. So in order to fix this, you need to first install the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. So in order to update your TikTok application, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store first. Tap on the search icon and then simply type in TikTok and search for it. Once you find it, if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. So go ahead and install it. This will fix the bugs and update the features to improve your experience on TikTok. After that, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your mobile device, and you can also switch between Wi-Fi and the mobile data and see if the issue is resolved. Besides that, you can also try clearing the cache of the application. Go to Settings and Privacy from your TikTok profile page. Scroll all the way down and there you will see the option of Free Up Space. Now tap on Clear Cache. Tap on Clear again to confirm and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and fix the effect does not work with the device issue. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.